My name is Brittany and I'm a senior industrial designer working on baby toys. I created the toys that were the inspiration for the O-Bounce Activity Center. And when we were talking about it as a design team, what we really wanted to do is create characters that you would be able to recognize if you closed your eyes and you just felt the shape of the toy. And that really graphic nature ties back to modern art. And that's the reason why O-Ball toys look so different from any other baby toys.
Hi, my name is Matt. I'm the Industrial Design Manager of In-Home Gear Toys, and I worked on the O-Bounce Activity Center. So one of the fun things that we really got to do with the O-Bounce Activity Center is to collaborate a lot more with the toy team. The toy team had been working on a O-Ball line of toys that were really cool and unique, and we knew that we wanted to incorporate these into our entertainer as well. As a result, we came up with some really cool combinations of toys. For instance, I really loved the stacker that they had developed, and I wanted to find out a way to incorporate that onto the entertainer. So we shrunk it down and turned it into a bead chaser, a pretty unique and really cool bead chaser. We wanted to try to incorporate as many O-balls and fun ways to incorporate the O-balls as possible. That way we created the cool rattle spinner, the cool bead chaser with the mini O-balls, and also on the bounce platform we have the really cool iconic O-ball texture as well. So the most fun thing about the O-Bounce Activity Center is the bouncing platform. That inherently babies just love to jump and bounce anyway. That's why you always bounce baby on your knee and they giggle and laugh. So we knew we wanted to incorporate that same entertainment value into our entertainer.
I enjoyed working on the O-Bounce Activity Center because the O-Ball brand is a brand that I would buy for my own child. I love the bright colors, the modern aesthetic, the play of the positive and negative space, and the really graphic characters. So it's so much fun to bring all of these toys to life, but it's especially fun when you're bringing something to life that you really enjoy.